So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to fold a towel the right way, mommy's way. So I'm gonna show you step-by-step instructions. So what we're gonna do is find the tag. The tag goes on the inside. We fold it this way, that's the long way, right? And then we fold it again. See how nice that is? Isn't that cute? Nice and straight. And then we fold it down like that. And you get a nice, perfect rectangle. Doesn't that look nice? And then we put it in the closet just like this. So then when we grab it out of the closet, we can grab it with that. It doesn't come unfolded. It looks perfect. Beautiful. Let's try that again. We'll use this Mickey Mouse towel. Are you guys taking notes?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna do this one again. You find that tag because we want the tag inside. Mommy doesn't like the tags on the outside. There's our tag. And we fold it the long ways. And then we fold it again. Okay, you see how this open end is on the inside? Okay, nice and straight. Then fold it again. Beautiful. Nice, beautiful rectangle. You guys see that? Did everybody see that?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at
And then we put it in this pile. Okay.
Maybe
Beautiful.
Can we try it by ourselves? I'm not trying it. Hooty hoot.
Sure, we got plenty of laundry to fold over here.
I'm not trying it.
Sure,
Hooty hoot.
Gracie's gonna try it over here. Okay, what's the first step?
Can't hooty hoot. Can't hooty hoot.
Find the tag.
And
Did you find your
then-
tag?
Yeah.
So it should be on the inside. So we're gonna turn it around. There you go, beautiful. So she's got her tag, it's on the inside.
It's a dress. Yeah.
What's your first perfect fold? Beautiful. Look at that. What's your next step? Nope. There you go. Yay. Good job, Grace. All right. And the next step? Yeah. Perfect. There you go. Look at that. Gracie did an excellent job. Awesome job by Gracie Joe. Yay! Would anyone else like to give it a try today?
Yeah, he would.
Livy's gonna give it a try.
You'd like
Perfect.
to do this.
We got lots of laundry over here to fold. Let's have Livy try
I'm
it.
just going to do
These are old towels, so
That
the
one
tag is
doesn't
hard to
have-
find. But it's there. See? There's the tag.
Yes.
But you had it perfect. You're going great. All right. Let's see if Livy can do it. Oh man, she lost a hold of the corners. See, Livy's utilizing her feet. Oh, Livy, you're doing great. Oh man, Livy's losing control. She's losing control.
No!
She's losing her corners. Can she do it? Can she do it?
My corner.
Oh, Gracie lost her corners too. All right, JJ. You want to try? Come on, give it a try. You get to do this as a chore soon. Oh yeah, you guys are all going to be doing this as a chore, so you should learn how now. Oh yeah, this is a chore for everyone. Oh yeah, you can utilize the floor. Absolutely.
I ain't doing that.
Got your one long ways, and then another long way. Perfect.
And then
Oh, it looks great. A little crooked, but it looks great. Daddy should be here to follow my steps and fold correctly because he does not know how to fold a towel.
and he gets me and Grace's stuff to make mess up.
All right, good job, guys. Good job, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you really enjoyed our tutorial on how to fold a towel the correct way.
Yeah.
Thanks for
watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye.